In the last class, we left with an example, that is for tertiary butyl bromide IUPAC name system. According to IUPAC system, we did not name it. Here, look at the tertiary butyl bromide structure. According to IUPAC system, first we need to select the longest chain. So how? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So from anywhere if you do the numbering, you are getting the 3 carbon atom containing longest chain. So number 1, 2, 3. The word root will be prop because the longest chain is containing 3 carbon atom. An because all carbon atoms are singly bonded with each other. And then this is word root, this is primary suffix. Now prefix is methyl and bromo. Both are bonded to the second carbon atom. So therefore, alphabetically, bromo will come first, later methyl. So both positions are 2. So 2 bromo, 2 methyl, prop A. See here. Second carbon atom of the propane is having bromo. Second carbon atom of the propane is having methyl. So 2 bromo, 2 methyl, propane is the name of a tertiary butyl bromide according to the IUPAC system. Next example is neopentyl bromide. Look at this neopentyl bromide. First we will select the longest chain. We will select the longest chain according to the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So anyhow, from anywhere you choose, starting selecting the longest chain, you will get the 3 carbon atom containing group. So I have chosen this longest chain where the halogen atom takes part in the longest chain. So therefore 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon atom containing longest chain. So word root is again 3. So therefore 3 stands for 3 carbon atom containing word root is pro. All are singly bonded again A. Word root primary suffix. And now prefixes. Look at here numbering. If I start numbering from the right to left, so the halogen position will be 2 and the methyl positions will be, so my halogen position will be 1 and the methyl positions will be 3. Methyl and bromo both are substituents, but alphabetically bromo will come first. So therefore I choose to number in such a way that the bromo alphabetically comes first and its position should also get the what? Least. So therefore I choose to have the bromo at first position and remaining 2 methyl groups at the second position. So therefore 1 bromo indicating the first carbon atom is bonded with the bromo. 1 bromo. And 2 methyl groups are bonded to the same carbon atom. So 2, again 2, comma, di is indicating 2 methyl. All these prefixes are bonded to the propane. See here. 1 position of the propane is bonded to the bromo and the 2 methyl groups are bonded to the same position, that is 2, 2, dimethyl pro A. So the neopentyl bromide can be named according to the common system as 1 bromo 2, 2 dimethyl propane. 1 bromo 2, 2 dimethyls are prefixes. Prop is the word root. An is the primary suffix. So together 1 bromo 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Next example you already studied in classification, where the chlorine is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is next to that of the carbon-carbon double bond. So according to common system, it has been named as allyl chloride. So according to the common system, allyl chloride, IUPAC system, select the longest chain in such a way that the first you need to select in such a way the double bond should get the least number, later the substituent. Halogen is the substituent, secondary prefix, and double bond is the primary suffix. So out of these two, primary suffixes should get least number. So if I choose to do numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, then double bond positions will be 2 and 3. If I try to choose the numbering, to do the numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, then double bond positions are in between 1 and 2. So 3 chloro, because Chlorine is the secondary prefix. Pro is indicating the number of carbon atoms, and out of 1 in and 2 in, choose the least one, that is 1 in. 3-chloro-pro 1 in is the IUPAC name of the allyl chloride. Similarly, this vinyl chloride, the chlorine is directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon-carbon double bond, where the 2 carbon atoms are involved. So therefore, first position will be chloro. So 1 chloro, only 1 chloro is there, only 2 carbon atoms are there. So 1 chloro, eth, because 2 carbon atoms, 1 in, out of 1 and 2, least one is 1, so therefore 1 in. 1 chloro, eth, 1 in, or ethene also you can write directly. Next example. The halogen is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to that of the benzene ring, is known as benzyl chloride. We already studied this definition in the classifications of haloalkanes. This is indicating the common name of the haloalkane. But according to IUPAC system, the benzene, if it is bonded to the side chain, any carbon atom, then benzene will be not at all used as a suffix. Whatever the side chain is attached, that will be considered as word root. Here, the benzene is considered as phenyl, as a substituent. This will be considered as substituent, and chlorine is also considered as a substituent. Both are bonded to the only one carbon atom. So word root of that side chain is meth. It is singly bonded, so therefore ane. So for this methane, we are having chloro and benzene. Benzene is not at all used as a benzene whenever it is available as a prefix. So benzene will be considered as phenyl because it is used as a substituent here. So chloro, phenyl, methane. Once again I am repeating. See here, chloro and phenyl, both are bonded to the only one carbon atom containing aliphatic system, that is methane. So therefore 1 chloro, 1 phenyl methane also you can write, or chloro phenyl methane also you can write. Next example. See here, orthochlorotoluene. This toluene is bonded to the chlorine atom at the ortho position. So according to IUPAC system, we need to do the numbering. Chloro and toluene, from where we need to do the numbering, sir? You need to do the numbering according to the IUPAC system, where the substituents are having the first alphabetical order. See here, chlorine will get the 1 position and methyl will get the 2nd position according to alphabetical order. M comes later after the C chloro. So 1 chloro, 2 methyl, both are bonded to the benzene ring, so therefore ends with the benzene. 1 chloro, 2 methyl, benzene. Or also you can write 1 chlorotoluene, because toluene is accepted from both systems, that is IUPAC and as well as common system. Or you can also write 2 chlorotoluene. 2 chlorotoluene. Next is orthodichlorobenzene. Ortho positions are according to the common system. According to IUPAC system, 1 and 2. 1, 2, both are same, so therefore 1, 2, di, because of presence of 2 chlorine atoms, benzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene is the IUPAC name of the orthodichlorobenzene. If chlorines are available at meta position, 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. If chlorine is available at para position, 1, 4 dichlorobenzene.